The relationship that the Mexicans right now have with China, people hopefully are starting to get an understanding of that. But I think most people realize that most of the precursor chemicals that go to the drug labs in Mexico come from China. But they also don't realize that the Chinese also provided the chemical expertise. The Chinese taught the Mexicans how to make ultra-pure d-methamphetamine with precursor chemicals from China. They certainly taught the Mexican chemists how to make fentanyl with Chinese precursors.
So does China have the same drug issues as America? Like, are they feeding this to their own people?
No. China's got a pretty good handle on their drug issue in their
that's
country.
interesting.
China does have an interesting, what's been described as a symbiotic relationship with the Chinese triads, organized crime, but insofar as victimizing other countries like ours. The author Peter Schweitzer actually calls it murder with a borrowed knife. And when it comes to the murder of the American society, it's actually murder with a Mexican knife, to be specific, relative to drugs.
Wow.
But the Chinese Communist Party has a relationship with the triads relative to chemicals, insofar as long as the Chinese organized crime groups agree to limit their violent criminal activity inside China while promoting the greater one China policies abroad throughout the world, they're generally left untouched.